Hi, I'm Jessica, owner of Jessica Rose Salon.
Today we're going to discuss the versatility of this DryQ by Skin Research Institute.
It is very important to always keep the life and integrity of a blow dryer by cleaning the filter. This is very easy on this model. This removes, and you want to take this screen off, and this removes as well. And with this, you can just rinse it under some water, and with either like a toothbrush or a little brush, just get all that fuzz and dirt and all the grit off. Dry it thoroughly and then reattach where it clicks. To put this filter back on, you want to line up those two arrows and it clicks.
Also, I wanted to show you this lock with the on and off. This lock keeps whatever one of these you have in place. If you want to change this, you need to make sure that you have it down on the on section so you can change it to fast, wind, the temperature, hot and cold. If it's in this lock setting, you will not be able to change any of this. So always keep that in mind.
So I'm going to show you a couple tricks of blow drying your own hair. When I blow drying with a client, I have the nozzle this way because it's going in the section of the hair. When I do my own hair, I need the nozzle going this way because then I'm grabbing it, airflow going towards the floor, and I'm doing this. Rather than the nozzle being like this, you want the nozzle flat like this. And you can grab your sections and go like this, down. And that's, if you want it towards your face, you're gonna go like this. If you want it away from your face, you're gonna grab the brush, whip it around. The nozzle is still that way. And you're gonna go like this, where the air is pointing down with the hair. Don't ever have the air pointing like this, against the grain of your hair. That's where you get breakage and frizz. Always down with the flow of your hair, never against it. The flow of the cuticle, never against the cuticle.
And also take note of your arm positioning, your elbow and your shoulder. That's really going to help guide your sectioning. Whether you're going back here, you see how my elbow is up and I'm doing this. My elbow's not down. My elbow's up and over. That really helps get control of your sectioning.
And that is how you use the SRI DryQ blow dryer.
Experiment, have fun, and enjoy your new styling routine.